Okay, guys. Today,
You want to make a game with coding jump?
today I'm gonna troll players. Okay, I'm gonna join the server. Oh my! Hold on. No guild. Let's troll people with the working microwave. It's basically this thing. When you press this button, like this button, nothing happens, right? But if you press this button, yep, you dead. Alright, let's troll people. Let's troll people. Let's troll people. Bro. On. Koko jumpscare. What? Yeah. Whoever. Okay, I'm just gonna force him to. Oh! Why the heck did that server shut down? Okay, let me just. Okay, let's see. Bro, why the heck do they not pressing the buttons? Okay, what's this? What the hell is this? Tornado car? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna. Koko jump scare. Koko jump scare. Hey! Press the button. Okay, they noticed the troll. Okay, hold on. Let me try trolling the Red Empire. Hold on. Not that thing. This thing. Koko jump scare. Bro, he didn't even do anything, bro. Yeah, you basically die if you press the button. Okay, I think everyone in the servers know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna leave. What? Okay, what should I join? Build anything. And also let me build limit. Okay. Time to spawn the worker. You, what the hell? What the hell? What the fucking hell? Hey. Press this working microwave. Press this working microwave. Press this. Hey, press this working microwave. It will do nothing. Trust me. It will do absolutely nothing. It will do absolutely nothing. Just press it. Press it. Just press it. Trust me. Trust me. Oh, what? What? Okay. That one didn't work. Let's see Koko jumpscare. Well, what? Well, what the hell? What the hell? You puppy. Okay. I just put this here and put a secret camera on here. So I can spawn a camera. Wait, why the heck does this doesn't work? Okay, I'll just use working microwave. Okay, this one actually works. Hey, turn on this microwave. Hey, turn on this microwave. Turn on this microwave. Okay. Yeah, I've already told that guy. What about this guy? Hey, turn on this microwave. Turn off this microwave. Okay. Boom. On. Okay, let's troll somebody else. Hey, Mister, turn on the microwave. The microwave. Okay, never mind. If you didn't kill me, I would spare you. Okay, never mind. I was killing everyone for absolutely no reason. Hey! I hope he turns on the microwave. server's complicated. Alright. Time to troll this guy. Okay. I kind of feel bad for this guy. I will not troll him, so I'm just gonna pause the video. I'm recording, by the way. Yeah. Cool. My name, my channel is Blue Macaw on Chicken Gun on gaming. My channel, yeah. Yeah. Where the heck is he going? Stop. If I stop recording, you can watch my vid. What is that chainsaw? Hold on. It's absolutely nothing. What is this? Okay. Okay, what is this? Is this the... What? Is this... What? 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 Hmm. 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 Come on, now when is it gonna end? Just a few more. Bro, what? Oh my god, when is it gonna end? How many doors are there? There's 300 more doors! What the heck are you? Are you crazy? Oh my god. It's infinite. 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 No. It's not infinite, but what the hell? Why the hell did it look endless, bro? How many doors did you put in there? Bro, how many doors did you put in there? Oh my god, I think I need an auto clicker if it's like this.